Good evening, everyone. My name is Rohan Patel. I am student of Brisangi Institute. Today I discuss about muscular system. Muscular system is a curricle from number of reasons. It's not just about strength or movement, but it's play a key role of nearly every bodily function. Here's why it's important. It is movements. The most obvious role of muscle is to allow the body to move, whether it's voluntary movement like walking or lifting, or involuntary like the beating your heart. Muscles are responsible for it, and posture and stability. Muscles helps maintain posture, balance, and overall body stability. They work together to keep your spine straight and your body aligned. And third, circulation. Muscles assign in blood circulation. For example, skeletal muscles helps push blood back towards the head, especially from lowest extremities. This is why physical activities is important for cardiovascular health and respiration. Muscles like the diaphragm are essential for breathing. The diaphragm contracts and expands, allowing your lungs to fill with air and expel carbon dioxide. And heart production. Muscles generate heat during contracts and during help to maintain body temperature. This is why you feel warm after physical exertions. And protection of organs. Muscles also provide the protective layers for your internal organs. For example, abdominal muscles protect your intestine and other abdominal organs from external impacts. And digestion. Smooth muscles in the digestive system help move food through the stomach and intestine in a process known as without them digestion wouldn't happen effectively. And metabolism and energy uses. Muscles use a lot of energy even at rest. The more muscles mass you have, the more calories you burn at rest, which is why muscles mass is are important factor in metabolism. And in essence, muscles aren't just the mobility; they are integral to life and health, and joint health and protection. Muscles help support and stabilize joint, reducing wear and tear on bones and cartilage. For example, strong muscles around the knees and hips can prevent injuries or issues like arthritis. And coordination and reflexes. Muscles are in conjunction with the nervous system, allows for coordination. Reflex like pulling your hand away from something hot are controlled by muscles responding to nervous system signals. Quick coordinated muscles contract are also what allow complex movements like dancing sports or playing instruments. And hormone production. Muscles produce and respond to hormones such as myokines, which are secreted during exercise. These hormones influence other parts of the body, including metabolism, immune function, and even brain health. And support for other system. The muscle system interacts closely with other body systems. For example, in the skeletal system, muscles pull on bones to produce movement and help with bone health through regular stress from exercise. And the nervous system, muscles depend on nerve signals to contract to perform tasks, making the connection between muscles and nerve functions vital for proper body movement. And circulatory system. Muscles aid in venous blood return to heart, especially in the legs. And emotional expression. Muscles, particularly in the face, are also involved the expression emotions. When you smile, proud, or show surprise, your facial muscles are responding to emotional stimuli, in enabling non-verbal communications. And improved immune functions. Regular physical activity and muscles activities such as exercise have been linked to improved immune function. Active muscles release cytokines that help regulate immune response and may reduce the risk of chronic disease. And again, and muscle mass. As we age, we naturally lose muscles mass, and strength is produced called sarcopenia. Maintaining regular strength training and physical activities and helps prevent negative agents such as fatty osteoporosis and decreased mobility. And physical activities that involves muscle exercises such as exercise or strength training has proven physiological benefits. It can help reduce anxiety, depressions, and stress, and improve cognitive function. There are also a strong link between muscles activity and overall mood due to release of endorphins and muscle memories. Muscles have to ability to remember movements, which is why, for example, athletes for musicians can perform complex actions without thinking about every steps. They more practice something, the better your muscles learn the movement and become more efficient, and it's over time. And core muscles for daily activities. Core muscles, abdomen, back, pelvis are essential not for maintaining posture but for everyday activities like bending, lifting, sitting, and standing. Prevent back pain and improve balance, making everyday task easier and enhancing endurance. The more you train your muscles for endurance, the better then the perform over long periods. Not just a strength, but also is energy efficiency. This is why endurance athletes like marathon runners have adapted muscles that allow them to perform for hours without fatigue. Joint health and protection muscles help support and stabilize joint, reducing wear and tear on bones and cartilage. For example, strong muscles around the knees and hip can prevent injuries and issue like arthritis. Thank you for listening.